DxO Labs is currently running a massive sale for Black Friday. Enjoy it. Go down in the description below and then click on the link. Make sure you click the link to enjoy your discount. This short tutorial of DxO Photolab 8, I'm going to explain you what is the DxO Clearview Plus. Now, if you click on the question mark, it says DxO Clearview Plus lets you improve the contrast and the sharpness of your image by removing the effect of atmospheric haze or fog. Now, you can turn on and immediately you have a really nice, quite contrasty image and very less fog, which is brilliant. But pay attention to something interesting. In this corner, if I turn off, it's of course noisy. We can do the noise reduction later on, but we talk about it later. But if you turn it on, it's still blue, but if you turn it on, then it gets contrasty, but it gets even more bluish, which is sometimes the issue with the DxO Clearview Plus. So I highly recommend you to kind of... DxO is running a massive deal. Make sure you go down in the description below and then click on the link to enjoy your Black Friday deal right now. Turn it on, but play with your intensity and make sure that you are not overusing. And if it kind of affecting the whole image and you don't want to use in the whole image, you can always go to, of course, the local adjustment, turn it on, make sure, for example, you want to use only on, let's say in this corner, then you could use just simply a control line, make the dropper on the area, and then just use there. Just use the Clearview Plus just there. So what happens is that it kind of protects the rest of the image and then apply where exactly you want. And second thing, before I finish this video, that it's not really recommended for portrait. So I'm going to take a portrait image, which is extremely dark. No, there you go. Luckily, it's not that dark. And then, normally in the portrait, you need softness. You kind of need a kind of nice and soft look. So if you use the DxO Clearview Plus, it does not make the image look very nice and pleasant. So in that case, you absolutely have to make sure that you don't use it. I don't recommend it unless you're looking for a particular contrasty portrait. But it generally works very well with the landscape with a lot of fog and haze. So I hope you like this image and in this video. I see you in the next video. Take care of yourself.